Well, as you can see here, the momentum of the trend is very strong compared to the pattern momentum. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another Forex Trendy episode, and today I'm going to show you exactly how it works and how you can use it. I'm shooting this video because I will put it in one of my posts on my website forexexpert.net to show my readers how they can maximize their profits using trend following and chart patterns trading. So yeah, we are in the trends page dedicated to trend following, and at the top of the page you will find the best currency pair or commodity on all time frames with the lowest drawdown. According to your trend following strategy, you can go here on settings and select forex pairs you are trading with, okay, and the time frames. Okay, you can, for example, if you are trading only on the 1 hour time frame, you can deselect all the other time frames, okay, and you go here and click on alert when the trend drawdown falls below, for example, 15% or 20%, 25%. It's up to your trend following strategy. If you don't have a trend following strategy, then you can download my free guide that will teach you how to spot good breakouts and false breakouts. So back in the topic, once you have made your adjustments, you scroll down the page and click on save, okay. Then when the drawdown will fall below 15% or the value is selected before, Forex Trendy will alert you with a live signal, okay. You can receive it on the email, SMS, okay, on your phone, or you will receive a live signal here on your PC screen if you leave the website open, okay. Another very important feature that this online software will show you is the general trend direction, okay. In this case, for example, we have the USD and the yen on the 1 hour time frame. The drawdown is 32%, a little bit higher in my opinion, okay. And as you can see below the chart, you will find the arrows related to the time frames, okay. We have a downtrend. The downtrend is not confirmed on the 4 hour time frame, but on the daily and the weekly. So it's up to you and on your trend following strategy, okay. But I always look at the general trend direction to see if the trend is going to continue or to stop soon. Let me select the time frame so I can give you a clear view of what I'm talking about. For example, we have gold, we have downtrend, 1 minute time frame. The drawdown is 25%, and the downtrend is confirmed on the 5 minute time frames, okay. The New Zealand dollar and the yen 4 hour time frame, the drawdown is around 26%, and the downtrend is confirmed on the daily and the weekly and the monthly. So you should look at these values down here, and of course the drawdown is very important. It's a very good online software for trend follower. It gives you a lot of signals. Of course you have to filter them, you cannot take all of them, but if you do your homework, you will end up with a very good number of winning trades, okay. So let's jump to the pattern section. In this page you will find the completed patterns and the emerging patterns at the bottom of the page. What patterns does Forex Trendy recognize? Okay, flag, triangles, and rising wedges. Okay, falling and rising. Those are continuation patterns, and in fact you have to filter the signals, especially if you're trading on all time frames. Okay, it depends on your trading styles. Okay, there are guys or ladies that prefer to trade on the smaller ones. Okay, or other people I know usually trade on the hourly and for hours on the daily. It depends. Okay, but in any case, you will receive a lot of signals here on the smaller time frames, a good quantity of signals also on the hours. Okay, on the hourly. So, for example, how do you know if a signal is good or not? Well, you have to look at the trend, the momentum of the trend preceding the pattern. Okay, so in this case, we have a flag, a downtrend on the USD and the Swiss franc 1 hour time frame. And as you can see here, the momentum of the trend is a little bit choppy. And as you can see here, the sell signal was not good. Okay, if the momentum of the pattern is stronger than the trend, well, it's not a good one. For example, we have an uptrend here on the US dollar and the Norwegian krone. The pattern is a triangle. We have buy signal, and in this case, we have a strong momentum. Okay, preceding the pattern. Then the pattern is a little bit weaker than the trend momentum, and then the price goes up after the breakout. Okay, it's a very good signal. In fact, we have a break at 8.6862 going up to 8.7879, and below the chart you will find Fibonacci targets. Okay, as I can see here, the third target, so the 1.618 level, got hit. Was a very profitable trade though. Okay, you should filter the signals. Okay, in this way, looking at the momentum of the trend and the weakness or the strength of the pattern. Okay, if the strength of the pattern is higher, is bigger than the momentum of the trend, then you shouldn't take that signal. Okay, you will receive many emails once you sign up. They will also give you a free detailed ebook. So Forex Trendy crew will update you once a week on how to use this remarkable online software. So let's take a look at other completed patterns. Well, in this case, it was not so bad, the momentum of the trend, and we have flag buy signal, but I don't think it was. It didn't hit the first target, so it wasn't so good. Okay, please, guys, protect your positions, your trades with the stop loss. Okay, don't put below the trend line, because many times you will experience pullbacks. But there are many techniques like ATR or parabolic SAR. And another thing you should look at is the trend line and the touching points. If the trend line is very long and has more than 3 touching points far away from each other, then is a good trend line, and the signal is reliable. Okay. For example, here we have a flag on the British pound and Australian dollar by signal. That was very good. We have a very strong momentum here. Okay, a weak pattern momentum, as you can see, and then apparently no retest or a little one, and the price started to skyrocket up to 1.8884. The breakout happened at 1.8354. So as you can see, here was a massive trade, hitting all the Fibonacci targets. Okay, so you will find many great opportunities here. It's very important to read the charts. It's very important. Another example, for example, we have the Australian dollar and the Swiss franc. The recognized pattern is a flag sell signal break at 0.7183 going down to 0.7067. Hitting the fourth target. Okay, as you can see, we have a great momentum here in this downtrend, and a weaker one on the inside the pattern, and then the price with a few pullbacks and then started to fall down. Okay, so always protect your trades with a stop loss. Don't put the stop loss just behind the trend line. And as you can see here, the touching points are far away from each other. Okay, another good one, for example, is the New Zealand dollar and the yen. Also, always on the 1 hour time frame. We have a flag. Uh, those are the live signals. Okay, we have a flag, and as you can see here, the momentum is a little bit weaker than the trend one. Okay, and the price started to go down at 71.81, hitting all the Fibonacci target size. So if you are a beginner, you will find also the Fibonacci target to put your take profit. Okay, the same story for the patterns. You can go here in settings. If you focus only on few pairs, because there are traders that prefer to focus only on few pairs, like the euro and the US dollar, the USD and the Swiss, or the British pound and the US. So it's up to you. It's up to your trading style and strategies. Okay. The greatness of this online software that it deals with also with the exotic pairs. So you will always find good opportunities. Okay. And below here you can see the email alerts. You can select the way you want to receive the alarm. Okay, you can use it the email or the SMS. Once you have done your adjustments, go down here, click on save. So I hope that my video was good and you understand how to use it, what kind of opportunities you can find on the forex market thanks to this online software. The price is very good because you can have it for $3 per week on a 3 months membership. So it's up to you guys. If you want to use it, you can purchase it clicking on the link below. You can download my free guide. I will put the link below in the description. Forex Trendy link also below the title. Subscribe to my channel. I will upload more content. I'm going to release great content on copy trading, because I'm aware that trading is very difficult for most of the people, and or most of the people out there are busy, are working, and And I think that copy trading is a good way to build a passive income. Okay, and I will show you how to find the best traders to copy on my favorite copy trading platform, regulated regulated platform. Okay, always. And then stay tuned, guys, for today is everything. Thank you for your patience. See you. Bye bye.